Hello, it's Oren Prunken, and today I want to talk to you about a really cool promotion that I saw. So I play ice hockey, and I've been playing ice hockey for, I think it's the last 23 years or something like that, something ridiculous, since 95. And I only really play hockey socially now because I enjoy the game and I enjoy the team and the club that I play for. Now, I am not in the top league in ice hockey in South Australia. There's a few leagues above me. And one of those leagues is the state-based league. Now, it would be the equivalent to the AFL, but obviously not on that scale. So what they do is they play against other state teams on a regular weekly basis, where they fly around Australia and they play off against all of the other states. Now, that team obviously is selected from the best players within the South Australian leagues, and they usually pick from the very top league within South Australia. So there is a top league, and they play weekly against each other, and then the best of the best from that go on to play in the state league. And the name of the Adelaide team is the Adelaide Adrenaline. So the promotion that I saw came from the Adelaide Adrenaline, and the gist of it was that you could go to the local skate rink where we play ice hockey, and you can skate with your favorite players from that team for 1 hour. So basically they're shutting off the whole ice rink for everyone else, and it's just this VIP experience where you can skate with your favorite players. Now, this is absolutely genius. So you think about it, if you are in South Australia and you like ice hockey, and you not only like ice hockey, but you like the team Adelaide Adrenaline, and then not only do you like ice hockey and Adelaide Adrenaline, but you also like, a particular player or particular players. So you like all of these three things, then you get the opportunity to go out and skate with these people. That is like a phenomenal value add for someone in that position. Now, there's not going to be a ton of people in that position. Very much like a airplane, when it takes off, there's the majority of people at the back in the economy class, and there's the smaller proportion up in business class. Not everyone is interested in business class. Not everyone can afford business class. Now, that's an important point. Not everyone's going to be interested in going and skating with their favorite player. But what the Adelaide Adrenaline have done, they've only priced it at $15, which is amazingly cheap for what you're getting. And I personally think it's, very, very underpriced. Like, I would have actually, if I was them, increased the price 10x, $150. You think about it, if you want to go skate with your favorite player and hang out with your favorite player, no other opportunity to do that. Sure, you can get on Twitter or Facebook and message them. Whether or not they're going to get back to you and think it's not creepy is another factor, but this is designed solely where you can just hang out with them and talk to them about the game or anything that you want to. That surely is value, has a value of 10x what they're asking. Now, if you think about this, like, put that whole pricing argument aside. If you were to go and borrow a pair of skates and go to a public skating session, it's going to cost you about $20. So it's going to cost you $5 more to go and do that. So it's actually underpriced from the regular session that you just go, and you wouldn't have the opportunity to go and talk with these people. Not only that, the $15 to go and skate with your favorite players includes the $20 free skating session at the end. So you're really getting a $35 value. So it's definitely underpriced for what it is. It should be around $150. And if you've got 10 of those people, it is raking in another $1,500 for an hour session. Now, I don't know if they're paying the players or not, but it's not really about that. It's not a money-making it shouldn't be a money-making activity. It should be a culture and community and loyalty-based activity for Adelaide Adrenaline to reward and bring on more of their best ambassadors into the fold. Now, how can this probably work for you? Like, if you are a business or a brand that has a founder-led or a personality-led business, this is going to work for you. Like, absolutely. You think about bands or restaurants with chefs. If it is this personality-based founder for your brand, it is going to work phenomenally well for you. What could you do that is behind the scenes that no one else can get? It's the equivalent of the business class or the VIP experience, where they get to hang out and see behind the scenes or how things are done and made. You know, if you're a restaurateur or a chef, how can you bring someone into the kitchen and show how everything, you know, their favorite meals are created? And then what, you know, premium price point can you attach to that? Same with bands. Can you, if you're a band, can you get your fans to hang out with you guys actually backstage, you know, behind the scenes, and hang out with you and talk with you? So if you're a founder or a business that has this personality led, this type of thing is going to work phenomenally well for you. So hats off to Adelaide Adrenaline for coming up with such an amazing promo. If I was them, I'd just increase the price, you know, at least 10x for an experience like that. But it's a really good thing. So I really want you to have a think about how this could apply to you if you are in that situation of being a personality-led brand. And then let me know how you go and what you come up with and how you implement it, because I'd love to hear from you. And like always, until we talk next time, I hope you have a fantastic day, and goodbye.
Thanks for listening, and if you like what was on here and want more, please go to orenprunken.com.